rolling stop refers to a driver not coming to a complete stop at a stop sign or any other intersection where a full stop is required, but rather just reducing their speed and rolling through the intersection. A rolling stop is not only illegal, it also is not safe and creates many opportunities for both vehicle and pedestrian accidents and injuries. To avoid a rolling stop, a driver should come to a complete stop at or before the stop sign or a painted stop line. A complete stop, in conjunction with looking left, right, left, and counting 1, 2, 3 before proceeding, is the proper method and will greatly reduce your chances of an intersection accident. Rolling stops account for many intersection crashes where the right-of-way should have been yielded to another vehicle. Pedestrians, often distracted by their devices or other activities, can also present a good reason for a complete stop. In conclusion, be sure to follow these best practices. Always come to a complete stop. Do not roll through an intersection. Look left, right, left, and count 1, 2, 3 before proceeding.